quite a few noteworthy ones. I'd like to talk about that. One is there was an avenue of early closure of disputes which was available for cases relating to underreporting. That's considered a slightly graver offense in taxation terms. This has now been opened up for misrepresentation cases. What it means is that even if you're classified as a slightly graver offense, you seem to have committed a slightly graver offense, you can still go ahead and buy peace. You pay up your taxes, a little bit of penalty, which is lesser than the usual penalty that you would have paid in this case, which would be 200%, and you can buy peace. Now, this benefits all those people where the quantum of the dispute is small, who do not want to litigate further because the businesses are closing down, or for any of those who really want to not focus too much on dispute resolution. Dispute resolution in India is a costly affair, and they want to just focus on their businesses. So this will help unclog the system. The CIT appeal level, where there are around 5.39 lakh cases stuck up, this will reduce the burden there. And of course, this reduces the need of those frequent amnesty schemes, which have to be rolled out if there's a pile-up of cases that is happening. The other significant thing which they've done is that the assessment and the penalty orders, they have been combined. Again, a significant cost reduction from a litigation perspective for all taxpayers. There is also a pre-deposit of 20% which you need to make when you move to a appellate level, which is the CIT appeal level. That has been reduced to 10%, and that takes care of demands of a lot of taxpayers on the cash flow issues that they face when they undergo litigation. On the decriminalization front, again, a lot of stuff has been done. There was a Niti Aayog report which talked about that, the provisions relating to criminal prosecutions that have to be streamlined. They are a bit towards the harsher side. So what has been done, not all the recommendations, but some of these actions, they have been decriminalized. The provision of rigorous imprisonment, that has been made to simple imprisonment. There was a stipulation of maximum 7 years of imprisonment that has been reduced to 2 years, and there is no threshold, there is no minimum imprisonment that is required. So all these put together, I think they make litigation somewhat less daunting for all categories of taxpayers in India.